welcome to my channel. I recently prepared a 3-course meal for an early anniversary celebration with my husband, and the main course was this absolutely delicious creamy shrimp and chicken fettuccine pasta. Let's make it. First, you want to boil some water, add some salt, little bit of oil, and let it come to a boil. When it's boiled, you want to put in your fettuccine pasta. I used about 10 pieces of this because I was going to make for 2 people, okay? This, of course, was able to feed us at least twice. So if you are going to be serving fewer people, please adjust the quantity accordingly. Okay, you just want to boil this until it is just soft. Okay, you don't want it to be overcooked, so I would say 7 minutes is a perfect timing for this. Make sure you save the pasta water because you're going to need it. Then we're going to start to fry your chicken and your shrimps. So I have poured in my sesame oil along with my garlic butter, of course, and then I'm going to be frying my shrimps. Guys, shrimps are very delicate. Okay, you do not want to overcook it or it will get really rubbery and it will be tough. Okay, so you want to fry the shrimp on each side for just a minute. Okay, and then you flip. The moment it's done, you won't take it out. You know it's ready when it starts to look kind of like light pinkish in color. Do not overcook your shrimps, guys. It never ends well. So once it's ready, take it out of the fire and then go in with your marinated chicken. So just so you know, I had previously marinated my chicken and my shrimps a night before. So feel free to marinate your chicken and shrimp or whichever protein that you choose to use because it just takes the flavor to a whole different level. Okay, so I'm just going to fry this chicken until it is golden brown. You want it to lose that pink raw color, and then you want to take it off the fire and set it aside. Now to fry the sauce, we're going to grab our pot and pour in our sesame oil, some garlic, onions, spices, which is the pepper, and a little bit of butter. Okay, you want this to fry a little, and then you go in with your tomato paste. I used about, let's say, 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and do not worry, the precise measurements would be in the description box below. So you want to fry your tomato paste very well until it loses that sour taste. Okay, then you go in with your thyme and your seasoning cubes. Here I used Knorr, and then I'm just going to give it a stir until it is properly combined. After that, I'm just going to go in with my heavy cream or cooking cream, okay, and then give it a stir for it to come together and be properly combined. Then you're going to grate in some cheese. Here I used mozzarella cheese. Okay, so I just got a block of cheese, and as you can see, I'm grating it into my sauce, and then I'm just going to stir it until it's completely melted. Okay, now allow this to boil for a little bit, and then you go in with your parsley or I think I used spring onions. You can use both. Okay, I used both here as well. So when this has boiled, you just want to give it a good stir and allow it to simmer for a minute or two. When that is done, guys, we're going to go in with our protein. Okay, you see your shrimp and chicken that you initially fried. Now this is the point where we're going to need it. You just want to toss your pre-cooked refried chicken and shrimps into this mix and give it a stir until it is combined. Okay, just until it is combined. Then we're going to go in with some pasta water. You remember the water we saved after boiling our pasta? Yeah, that is what pasta water is. So you just want to pour it in there to lighten up the consistency and give it a quick stir just so that it is properly combined. Okay, and then we go in with our pasta. Just basically you want to pour everything in and give it a quick mix. Just stir it until it is combined. While you're doing this, do not use high heat. Okay, if you need to even use heat at all, make sure you reduce the heat of your stove because you only need very low minimal heat at this point. Okay, so stir properly until the cream has really been absorbed into the pasta noodles. Okay, and there you have it, guys. My amazing fettuccine pasta is ready. All you just want to do is serve and garnish however you like. Here I garnished with grated mozzarella and some extra parsley just for presentation. Okay, do feel free to let me know if you try my recipe. I would love to hear from you, and enjoy.